stop losing conversion on TikTok ads. If your tracking is not working properly, your ads will not perform well. But don't worry, I have got you covered. Hey everyone, welcome back to Analyst Sultan. In this video, I will show you how to set up TikTok Pixel for browser and server-side tracking using Google Tag Manager. With this setup, you will bypass ad blocker, improve attribution, and tag conversion with high accuracy. Before we start, if you have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, and I share the best tracking and analytics tips to help you get the most out of your ads. Let's get started. What is TikTok Pixel? TikTok Pixel is a small piece of code that you add to your website to track user actions such as page view, purchase, add to cart, signups. This data helps you to optimize TikTok ads, improve audience target, and measure performance. While browser-side tracking is a default method, is not some limitation. Ad blocker and privacy settings, many user block tracking scripts reduce event accuracy, like Firefox, Safari, Brave browser, third-party cookies affected tracking accuracy, iOS 14 privacy restriction, Apple app tracking transparency, ATT limits cross app tracking. Many iOS users opt out of tracking, reducing the effectiveness of browser-side tracking. Cookie expiration and data loss, Safari restriction third-party cookies, often deleting them within 7 days or less. If user switch device or browsers, TikTok Pixel may not track them correctly. Page load and script blocking issues. If a website loads slowly or script fail, the Pixel may not fire properly. Some websites have CSP content security policy settings that block TikTok Pixel script. Server-side tracking send data from your website backend instead of the user browsers. This method bypasses browser restriction, loading, and more accuracy track. If any visitor visit your website, then the visitor information sent directly server, then server send tracking platform. These are the server-side tracking method. If you see this picture here, any visitor visit any website, this data will be get server, then server-side tracking events send data marketing platform. This browser-side tracking is way of this method. This method is many restrictions. So we will see this method. Benefits of server-side tracking: bypass ad blocker and browser restrictions. In data is sent directly from your server is not affected by ad blocker, Safari, ITP, or cookie restriction, and ensuring more accurate tracking. Improve conversion attribution, track user action, device, and session, reduce data loss from redirect, third-party checkout like PayPal and Shopify payment. Enhance data privacy and security, allows you to control and rush user data before sending it. TikTok, ensuring compliance with privacy regulation like GDP and CCP. If you want to start setup, you just need a website, TikTok Pixel ID, server, custom domain setup, Google Tag Manager web container, and Google Tag Manager server container. So let's get started. We want to set up TikTok Pixel browser and server-side tagging. So first we will need a TikTok Pixel ID. So firstly need to go ads.tiktok.com, then select event manager. Then I want to create a TikTok Pixel ID. So click on connect data source. Then need to select web, connect your website to share events that happen online, including add to cart and purchase and others events. So need to select this, then click on next. Now need to add your website. Setup is different for every business. By reviewing your website, we will recommend the connections method that best fits your business needs. So I will paste here my website URL. So this part, then paste here, then click next. So data connection method. Here first of partner integrations and another one is manual setup. I want to set up manually, so I will select this method, then click on next. If you want to set up only browser side tracking, you will select TikTok Pixel, and if you want to set up only server side tracking, you will select this. I want to set up browser side data connection and server side data connection, so I will select this, then click on next. Here I need to put here my TikTok Pixel name. This is my store name, then click on connect. Our TikTok Pixel create done. This is the TikTok base code. So firstly I need to copy this code, then go back to Google Tag Manager. This is my Google Tag Manager. I need to create a Google Tag Manager account. So paste here account name, then need to select country, then select share data anonymously with Google and others, then need to container name, then select web, then click create. Here is the Google Tag Manager terms of service agreement, then need to select I also accept this, then click yes. Our Google Tag Manager web container create done. Now I need to connect our Google Tag Manager with our website. So firstly need to copy this code, then go back to my website backend. This is my website backend. Then select on add a new plugin. Then search here GTM for WP. Then you will find GTM for WP, a Google Tag Manager plugin for WordPress. Then click on install now. Then click again active. Our GTM for WP, a Google Tag Manager plugin for WordPress added our website backend. Then click on settings. Here Google Tag Manager ID, I already copy Google Tag Manager ID, so I will paste here my Google Tag Manager ID, then click on saves. If you see that container code turn off, so I need to click on, then again click on save changes. Now I need to enable website data layer. So firstly need to click on integrations, then select on WooCommerce. So firstly need to select tech e-commerce, then another one is customer data in data layer, then another one is the cart content is data layer, then another is an order data in data layer, then another one is clear e-commerce object before new event, then click save changes. Our website data layer enabled. So firstly need to go back to our Google Tag Manager, then click TV button, then here paste your website URL. This is my website URL, then click connect. You will see that our Google Tag Manager connected with our website. If I click any product, then go back again Google Tag Assistant, we will see our data layer is already enabled, and if I click API call, we will see that all of this information is here. So our website data layer is already enabled. So now I will go back again TikTok Event Manager, then need to copy, install base code. So copy this code, then again go back to my GTM web container, then click on tags. I need to set up TikTok base code. So again click on new, then find out custom pixel, then paste this code. Then this will be triggering all pages, then give a tag name. These are TikTok page view or base code, so I need to save this. Now if I click again preview button, we'll see that our TikTok pixel page view tag already fired, and if I click on TikTok pixel helper, we'll see that TikTok pixel Earth Store pixel TikTok page view event already fired. So our TikTok base code event setup already okay. Now I need to set up some of events like view content event, add to cart event, initiate checkout event, and place an order event. So firstly I will set up TikTok view content event. So go back again Google Tag Manager, then click on new, then again click new. I need to add a TikTok tag template. So here is no TikTok tag template. So firstly need to click discover more text types in the community template gallery, then search here TikTok. This is the TikTok pixel, need add to workspace, then again click on it. Our TikTok pixel tag template already added our Google Tag Manager. So I need a TikTok pixel ID. So go back again event manager, then click on next, again click enable automatic advanced matching, enable, then click on next, and this our website, then again click next, then again click next. What type of event we want to set up? Here is the view content event, value, container, content types, currency, and content names, and price, and everything is okay. Then another one is add to cart. Add to cart same as view content. Then another one is initiate checkout. Initiate checkout is everything is okay. Okay, then another one is place an order. Every information is okay. Now need to select this, then this one, then price, then initiate checkout, which one is content, then click on next. Then this is our TikTok pixel ID. So firstly need to copy this TikTok pixel ID, then again click on next, then finished. This is our TikTok event manager. Need to click data source. Now need to select this TikTok pixel ID. So copy this TikTok pixel ID, then go back again Google Tag Manager. Need to paste here TikTok pixel ID. I need this TikTok pixel ID many times, so I will create a constant variable for TikTok pixel. So again click on plus sign, then again click plus, then find out constant, then paste here TikTok pixel ID, then give a name for this variable, then click save. Now I need to select event name. Event name is view content, so these are view content. Now I will see that what type of events I need to send. Before we starting, we need to create a variables. So I will create a constant variable. So copy this, then go to TikTok pixel tag template and property name is product and data. Then go back again. Then here I need to select this one, no need this because advanced matching configuration SA 256 hashed email, hashed phone, hashed externally are required. Here is no needed to send events such as page view content, add to cart or initial checkout, as our data layer does not contain any user information. If your data layer included this information, you can send it. However, sending hashed value is mandatory in order to trigger the place an order event. Use Google Analytics e-commerce data layer. If you have Google's enhanced e-commerce or standard e-commerce data layer set up, collect information about the shopping's behavior of your user. TikTok will automatically connect this data as parameter to help you improve your ad performance. Our data layer is not this, so I will click uncheck, then need to select multiple contents. Then I will create a variables first, so need to click again plus signs, then find a data layer variable, then paste here data layer variable. These are data layer variable. So firstly need to pick e-commerce dot then items. So I will give a name for these variables. This variables name is DLB items. DLB means data layer variables. So need to click save. So these are only need for variables, so I will remove this. So firstly need to create a contents tag. So I will go back my documentation, firstly copy this code, then go back again Google Tag Manager, then click again plus sign, then find out plus sign, then find out custom JavaScript, then paste here code, then give a name for this tag. This tag name is TikTok content, so copy this part, then paste here, then save. If I see my documentation to send this array on, so must be price numbers, quantity numbers, content ID string, content category string, content name string, brand string. So you will need to remember this. So go back again Google Tag Manager, so remove this again, then go back again my documentations, then copy this part, copy this code, then again go back Google Tag Manager, then find out custom JavaScript, then paste this code, then remove this part, then type double second bracket, then select TikTok contents, then this name is contents, this variable's name is contents, so click save. Our contents variable create done. Now I need to create a value variables recommended total value for the order. So go back in my documentations, then copy this code, then again click on plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out data layer variable, then paste here this code, then again go back and copy this, then paste here, then click save. Now I need to send currency. So go back my Google Tag Manager Tag Assistant. Firstly need to pick e-commerce, then currency, because this is the object. After object index start from dot. So firstly need to pick e-commerce, then dot, then currency. Copy this code. Then I need to create a currency variable. So again click on plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out data layer variables, then paste here, then give a name for this variables. So copy again, then paste here and click save. Now I need to add a deduplicated configuration. These information are not needed. I will need to send deduplication configurations. If you use both TikTok pixel template and event API template to send events, you can set up event ID deduplication to source, and you need to set a event ID. So again click on plus sign, then again click on plus sign, then I need a event ID. Here is no event ID, so need to click discover more variables, type in the community template gallery, then search here event. I need to select event unique event ID by step.io, so click on add. Or event ID already added, so again click on plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out unique event ID, then click on save. Now I need to create a additional parameter. What type of additional parameter needed? If I go back again my documentation, these are name of content underscore type. This will be string, so copy this, then value is product or product group. So again click on add row, then paste here content underscore type, then need to type here product or product group, then click add. Now I need to create a triggering. Click again here, then find out plus sign, then scroll down custom event, then go back to my documentations. I want to set up view content event, so our trigger will be view underscore item, so paste here, then give a trigger names, then click save. Now I need a tag name is view content, then click again save. I will see that our tag setup is perfectly okay or not okay, so click again preview button, then paste here website URL, then click connect. Now I will go back my website, then click any product. You will see that our TikTok pixel page view event and TikTok pixel base code event already fired. If I click our website and click again TikTok pixel helper, we will see that all of this information is here, like TikTok pixel base code, contents like contents category, contents ID, contents name, contents price and quantity and value, everything is here. So our content and page view event perfectly okay. Now I will set up TikTok add to cart event. So I will click on add to cart, then go back to tag assistant, then click on add to cart, then click on API call. I need these informations for add to cart event setup. So go back again Google Tag Manager, then click on new, then find out TikTok pixel. I already added this. Then need a TikTok pixel ID. So I already create a constant variable for TikTok pixel ID. Then I need to select pixel event name. Event name is add to cart. So again click on parameter override. These are no needed. Then uncheck this. Then select multiple contents. So I already create a contents variable. So click on plus sign. Then find out contents, then value. I already created value parameters. These are value parameters. If I click here, you will see that e-commerce.value. If you see my documentations here, all of this information is here. So I need to select this. Then another one is currency, DLB currency. Now I need to edit deduplication configurations. Then again click on plus sign. Then these are unique event ID. Then again click on add row. These are content underscore type. These are content type. So copy again and paste here. Then here type is product. Then click add row. Now I need to create a triggerings. Again click on plus sign. Then find out custom events. Then go back again Google Tag Manager. Then copy this event name. Then paste here. Then give a triggers name. Then click save. Now click on save this tag. This tag name is add to cart. So I will type add to cart tag, then click on save. I will preview all of this browser side tag setup. Now I will set up initiate checkout. So I will copy this add to cart tag, then click on copy, then remove this part, then give a name initiate checkout. Now I need to select event name. Event name is initiate checkout. Now I need to change triggering. Triggering must be begin underscore checkout. So copy this. Then again go back tag manager. Then click on plus sign. Then select custom events. Then paste here triggering. Then paste a tag name. Then click save. Our initiate checkout event setup done. Now I need to click on save button. Now I will set up purchase event. So copy again initiate checkout event for purchase. Purchase mean place an order. Remove this part, then change this tag name. Then all of this information is same. So I need to change event name. Event name is place an order. Then now I need to create a 10 AM parameter like email and phone number. So firstly need to click here, then again click here, then find out data layer variables, then go back to my documentations, scroll up, then copy this email and paste here, then give a name DLB email, then click save. Now I need to create for phone numbers. So again click on plus sign and find out data layer variables, then go back to my documentation, then first copy this and paste here, then give a name this DLB phone, then paste here. If you send this item, it will be send a TikTok like number, so I want to convert number to string. So again click on plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out custom JavaScript, then go back to my documentation, then copy this code, then paste here, then give a name. Name is CGS phone number, then paste here, then click save. Now remove again. If you click here, if your country code is 86, then don't include it country code example this. Otherwise included country code with plus and remove any other character spaces between numbers. Example USA plus then phone numbers. So I will follow this step. Then again click on plus sign. Then again click plus sign and find out custom JavaScript. Then go back to my documentation again and copy this code and paste here. If your country code another, so you need to change here. These code are based on USA phone number. So again copy this and paste here, then click save. Now everything is okay. Now I need to change triggering. Then again click on plus sign, then find out custom event, then go back to my documentations, then copy this triggering, then paste here, then paste here trigger name, then click save. Then again click on save. Our took place an order text save. Now I need to click on submit. I need to check it our setup okay or not okay. Then again click on workspace and click on preview. Our TikTok pixel based view content event already fired. Then click on add to cart. Then again click on view cart and add to cart and view content and page view tag already fired. Then again click on proceed to checkout and initiate checkout tag already fired. Then I need to fill up this purchase informations. Then click place an order. Our purchase event already fired, so our setup is perfectly okay. Now I need to set up TikTok server side tagging. So firstly need to create a server container for TikTok server side tagging. Again click on min, then give a name for servers. This is server, then need to select server, then click create. Then install Google Tag Manager, set up your tagging server. If you want to use Google Cloud Platform, you need to click on automatic provision tagging server. I want to set up step server, so I will create manually provision tagging server and go back to step server and copy this code, then click on step server. This is my step server. Then again click on create as GTM container, then give a name for this server. I will try art store server. This is our website based server. So again click on Google Tag Manager server container, then copy this, then paste here and select your server location. I will select this, then click on create container. You must be select source your server location based your location of your most of your clients location can not be changed later. Then click create container. Then subscription plan, I will use free plan, so click this, then click on continue with free plan, then click back to SGTM. I want to set up custom domain, so click again here, then paste your website URL, type here earth, then click on next, then close this. Please ensure that all of these records table below have been correctly added your domain. Step will be verified at this custom domain to be container. It can take up to 72 hours. So I need to log in our cPanel and click on cPanel zone editor. Then again click on add record. Firstly in valid zone name. So again go back and copy host name and paste here mranalyst.shop. Then these are same. Then type is cp name and value is this one. Then paste here, then click save. And again click on add record and go back to your step server. Then copy this and paste here. Then these are same. And type is cname and go back to your step server. Then copy this value. Paste here. Then click save. And now I need to click here verify. Already verifying. It is just need to take up to 72 hours. Then I will click on reload button. Needs are verifying and I want to use custom domain. So copy this custom domain and go back to my Google Tag Manager server container. Then click on admin. Then click on container settings. Then click add URL. Then paste here server URL. Just need to edit HTTPS. So I will edit this. Then click on save. Now I need to go back again my container. I need to set up Google Tag. Click on Workspace. Now again click on tags. Then again click on new. Find out Google Analytics. Then click on Google Tag. I need a Google Tag ID. Google Tag ID means Google Analytics ID. Again click on server and copy this measurement ID. Then go back again Google Tag Manager. Then I need this Google Tag ID many times. So again click on plus sign. We'll create a constant variable. Then find out constant. Then paste here this ID. Then give a name for this variables. Search GA4 ID. Click on save. Now I need to send some extra parameter. What type of parameters need to send? If I go back to my documentations and scroll down, this TikTok Pixel server side tagging. Firstly, need to send server URL. I already set up this. Paste here. And another one is TikTok send page view. And copy this. Then paste here. Need to server URL. Server URL. Go to my server. Then copy this. Then paste here. Then server send page view is false. I want to set up manually the event, so I will type false here. And another one is event ID. ID here. Then click on plus sign. Then find out unique event ID. Now I need to create a triggerings. So remove this. These are all pages. The TikTok Pixel server for Google Tag. Click on save. Now I need to set up page view event for TikTok Pixel server side tracking. Then again click on plus sign. Then find out analytics GA4 event. Then need a measurement ID. I already created a constant variable for measurement ID. Then here event name is view. So page view event is underscore view. Then copy this. Then here I need to send some extra event parameters. So firstly need to content types event name. So I will add event parameters, some of event parameters. So firstly need event name. So I will edit this event underscore name and copy this, paste here. Event name is view. Then content types here, our content type is product. So I will type product. And another one is event underscore ID. So paste here event IDs. Event IDs I already added event ID. Event ID. Then another one is event time. So I need to edit this event underscore time. Copy this and paste here. Event time need to create a custom JavaScript variable. Then custom JavaScript. Then copy this. Then paste here. Then give a name. And these are event time. And click save. Now I need to send some cookie. Copy this. Paste here. And another one is TTP. These are small letters. Then click on plus sign. Then again click plus sign. Then find out first party cookie. Then copy this and paste here. Then give a name. Or copy again this. Then paste here. Then click save. Another one is TTP. Then find out first party. Then copy this. Then paste here. Then give a name. Then click save. I need to create a triggerings. Triggerings are all pages. Then click save. I need to give a name for this view. Click on save. So I will set up view content event. So I will copy page view event. Again click on P. Then remove this part. Then a name content. Event name is view underscore names. Copy again. Then paste here. Then change this event name. Now I need to add some extra event parameters. What type of parameters needed? Firstly need contents. So paste here. I already create a constant value variable. So select this. Then another one is event ID, event time, TTP, and already added. Now I will edit value. Value. Another one is currency. So type here currency and remove again to add value. already created value variables. These are total value. Then another one is currency, already added currency. Now I need to change this triggering. Triggerings must be to underscore items. Click on save. Another event is to cart. So I will copy again view content TikTok pixel server side tag. These are add to cart, and and another one is event name. Need to select event name. So scroll down, then copy this, paste here, then paste. Everything is okay. View content and to cart triggers and event parameter. View content and add to cart events parameters are same to same. So I need to change only triggering. So click on save. Now another one is initiate checkout. Initiate checkout are same as add to cart. So again go back to Google Tag Manager, then copy add to cart tag this part and type here initiate checkout. Initiate out. I need to change this event name. Event name is must be begin underscore checkout. Paste here, then remove this part. Now I need to change triggering. Must be begin underscore checkout. Then click on save. Now I will set up says place an order for TikTok server side. So I will copy share checkout event of this part and serve and order. I need to change event name. Event name is sorry. This are will says copy this and paste here. Again paste here. Now I need to send some extra event type of event. So I will go back to my documentations. I need to send transaction ID. Back again transaction ID. Copy this and paste here. And again click on plus sign and click on plus sign and select data layer variables. I need to copy this and paste here. Then copy this tag name here. Then click save. Now I need to send email, your email address, then your phone number, and everything is okay. And email address, I already created email address variables. So these are DLB emails, and another one is phone. Must be use this USA phone and need to change this triggering. Triggering must be purchase. Then click on save. Now I need to go back again, manage the server container. Then click on tags. Again click on tags. I need to add a TikTok tag template. So to click Discover more tag types in the community tag template gallery. Search here. We need to select TikTok events API. Must be step.io. Click on to workspace. Then again click on add. TikTok events already added our tag manager server container. Then need to here inherit from client. Need to select here app, then need to API to access token. So go back again event manager for TikTok and click on earth pixel. Sometimes need to click things, then scroll down and click on generate access token. Copy this, need a pixel ID. So go back again and need to copy TikTok pixel ID. So TikTok pixel ID with this and paste here. Now I need a event code. So scroll down the test event code. Need to click on test event. Okay, got it. Then copy this test code and go back again tag manager server container. Then paste here. Then to be click on generate underscore TTP cookie for not exist. Then click on every setting is okay. Then need to click on triggerings. Again click on plus sign. Then find out customs. Then click on some events. Then here you need to select event name. Then match rejects. Then go back to my documentations. Then scroll down and copy this triggering. Paste here. And click on save. Name is server here. Then click on save. Then again click on save or tag. I need to create a transformations. So go back to my documentations to convert JSON to array transformation. Then again click on Google Tag Manager server container. Then click on templates. Need to add a variable templates. Then again click on new. Need to here. Then need to import. Converter is JSON to array. Then click on save. Sometimes then close this. then again go back to transformations, again click on here and click on augment event and click add a row. So row name is contents. Copy this, paste here, again click on plus sign, again click plus sign, then find out event data. Data is contents. So if here contents, click save. Remove again this, then again click on sign and again click plus, find out send to array converter. I already added this. Then I will need JSON value. Value is event data, then click on save. And transformation need to save, augment event, then click save. The setup is perfectly okay or not okay, I need to check it. Need to go back Google Tag Manager, web container, server side setup and browser side setup is done. So if I check our step, if I click again reload or step custom domain is verified or not okay, I need to check it. Step server URL already verified, so I will click on preview button. Again need to click on preview button for server container. Need to sometimes go back to website, then click any product. Click all tag assistant, we will see that our view content and server view of tags are fired. Click on add to cart, again click on view cart, again click on proceed to checkout, finally click on purchase. Tag assistant, we will see that our all of this tag already fired, so our setup is perfectly okay. If I check again our tag manager server container, our all of this tag already fired. If I click here, all of these informations perfectly, all of these informations here. Our request going HTTP request from server and incoming HTTP request get 200 and get post 200. Our setup is perfectly okay. And that's you have successfully set up TikTok pixel tracking for browser and server side using Google Tag Manager. This will improve your ad performance and tracking accuracy. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I will be happy to help. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video and subscribe for more tracking and analytics guide. Turn on notification so you don't miss any update. See you in the next video.